The video you guys are about to watch was filmed before everything that is currently going on in the world, especially in the US and the situation with George Floyd and many others. I wanted to take this time to use my voice and my platform to speak on this current situation. All lives cannot matter until Black Lives Matter. To my fellow content creators and influencers, we have a voice that can reach thousands and thousands of people, whether we wanted it or not. But it is up to each of you guys to decide however you want to utilize your platform. Now is the time to bring awareness to what is going on in the world. If you remain quiet for the wrong reasons, you are a part of the problem. If you're an influencer, content creator, and are worried about brand deals and aesthetic, you are a part of the problem. If you are a business and stay silent, you are a part of the problem. If you celebrate Black culture, food, people, music, and aren't speaking up, you are a part of the problem. If you think racism does not exist, you are the problem. We as humans must do better. Just because this isn't your issue doesn't mean it isn't your problem. What is the point of being a community if we are not coming together? One step you can take is to sign the petition towards justice for George Floyd and donate to organizations in need. I will provide links below in the description box for you guys to go click them. I know my words are my opinions, but the least I can do is use my voice and platform to educate and help fight for what's right. Be part of the solution, not the problem. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a fashion try-on haul. We're going to take it way back to my roots and pull out the fashion that hopefully I still have. But before I show you guys the pieces that I've recently purchased, I do want to take this time to thank our essential workers, our frontliners, for everything they've done during this unprecedented times. We will get out of this stronger and better when this is all over, and I hope that you guys continue to stay safe and healthy. If you guys like me, if you guys like the gays, if you like fashion, if you like vlogs, hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post new videos. All my social media links will be posted in the description bar below as always. If you guys want to see what I've recently picked up, keep on watching. So the first few pieces I'm going to show you guys is from Fashion Nova. The first one looks like this. I am in love with this graphic tees. Recently, I feel like my style has obviously been evolving. I feel like that's just with everybody. There's something about graphic but also simple tees that's really attracting me. This one says Metallica, and of course you've got the skull there, and I believe these are either matches or straws as a crown. And at the bottom it says, "In Vertigo you will be," and there's also another graphic at the back which looks like this. I love this. You've got eyeballs, you've got a skull that's pulling out straws, and of course there is a slogan there that says, "This shortest straws has been pulled for you." Absolutely love this. It goes well with any pair of jeans. You can wear it with cargo pants. You can even wear it with plaid pants, roll up the sleeves, wear some white Vans. I don't remember the price point of this, unfortunately, but I will link everything that I show you guys down below along with the price points if I can find them. I got this in a size medium if you guys are wondering. But yeah, that is the first t-shirt I got from Fashion Nova. So the next piece I picked up was another t-shirt, and it's another band tee that says Metallica on it, and it looks like this. It has like that tie-dye feel to it, which we know is like on trend right now. It says Metallica, and then you've got like, it's not the Grim Reaper, but it's a figure that's a skull that's holding, I forgot what you call those, you know, when you stamp something and then it's hot and it creates like a mark. Wow, I sound so dumb right now. I don't know what it's called, but that's what it looks like. There's skulls down here, which I love, and then you got that tie-dye feel. Got this also in a size medium, and then in the back it looks like this. So you've got the world, and then you've got the skull right here. You've got people, and then it says, "So I dub thee Unforgiven." I style this by rolling up the sleeves, black jeans, blue jeans, light blue jeans, ripped jeans, cargo pants, plaid pants, Vans. Very, very simple. But yeah, love this as well. And then the last piece I picked up from Fashion Nova is more plain compared to the other two that I just showed you guys. So this one's a long sleeve and it looks like this. Plain black long sleeve t-shirt with the word Tokyo right on the top left chest, and in the back it also does say Tokyo as well. And as you can see from both of the sleeves, there is a little bit of graphic in there of bones and roses, which I love. So it's very, very simple. Again, you can style this really, really easily. I don't know why I keep looking there. Clearly I haven't been doing this in a hot minute. But yeah, this is the last piece that I got from Fashion Nova. The next thing I'm going to show you guys, I'm actually wearing one right now, but I purchased 3 of them, so I thought I would show you the one that I'm not wearing, of course. And it's from AllSaints, and it's just a plain white t-shirt with the AllSaints logo just right there. I like wearing this to work. Very, very simple, but you can definitely style it up by tucking it in, wearing a belt with plaid pants or black jeans or blue jeans, and then wearing like a nice fedora hat. Again, I got 3 of these. I got 2 larges, I think, and 1 medium, or the other way around. And then this retails for $40 American. Very, very plain. I'm wearing one right now. I think this one is the medium, and then this one's the size large. The next thing I picked up was also from AllSaints, and it's again another plain tee, this time in black. Literally the same thing as the white one. Logo AllSaints right here, and again I got 2 mediums, 1 large, or the other way around. Retails for $40 American. I want to buy more just because they fit so nicely. Like, it's not too big, it's not too tight, which is nice, and I could still roll up the sleeves to add a little bit more chicness and style to it. But yeah, $40, 3 pairs of the blacks, 3 pairs of the whites. The next thing I picked up was also from AllSaints, and this time it's a button up and it looks like this. I was unsure at first, to be honest, because I was like, I don't know if I'll wear it, but what really got me was the color and the little prints of like the horseshoe, as you guys can see. Very, very cute, very, very simple. This one's in a size large because I usually like my button-ups a little bit bigger, just so I can feel free in them. I could do a half tuck like the European tuck. It's really, really nice. It's breathable, perfect for the summer, which is nice whenever we get to go out and use clothes again. It is like a creamy beige, again with the horseshoes all over. This one, I don't remember what it retails for, but I feel like it's around like 75 to 100 American, just because I got this in an AllSaints in the States. So the next item I'm going to show you guys are from Amazon, and they're not a clothing piece. They're an accessory, and I'm actually wearing them on my ears right now. So I got a 3-pack. So I got the silver one right here with the dangly cross and then the hoop. And then I've also got the black one and the gold one. So you get about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 earrings in total. And you can mix and match. You can wear the ones with the crosses, or you can wear what I'm doing, a cross and then the hoop, or you can wear 2 hoops. Really, really love them. Very, very inexpensive, which is nice just because I know there's expensive ones out there, like from Aporo, which I also have. I love those ones. But yeah, got these from Amazon. So the next piece I'm going to show you guys is from H&M, and it's this bad boy right here. So these are plaid pants, and as you can see from the color, it's brown, it's blue, it's black, it's cream. Really, really nice. And what I love about these pants is your ankles do show. And that's how I usually like my plaid pants, because I kind of want to roll it up to give more of that edge. I like using this with like the AllSaints tee, for example, and then pairing it up with like Vans or sneakers. Something, if you got the Dior B23s, those would look really, really cute. I got this in a size 31. It is a little too big. There's a little bit of room there, but I love how these freaking look. So they look like this. This is what I picked up at H&M. And then the last piece I picked up was also from H&M, and it was another pair of plaid pants, and they look like this. This one's my favorite out of the two, just because it is black and white. Can style it with anything. This fits so much better just because I got it in the size 30, and just like the other one, this also does show your ankles, which is really, really nice. Again, I do like to fold them up just to give more of that edge and style to it. Plaid pants with some white sneakers are literally like my go-to lately. So easy to style, very, very simple. But yeah, this one's in the size 30. Really, really, really nice. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the pieces of clothing that I showed you. Let me know down in the comments which one you would use, which one you would pick up, or let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, continue to stay safe and healthy out there, and I will see you guys later. Bye.